Trump administration is reversing its decision to cut off legal aid for migrant children. Earlier this week, they had ordered the nonprofit Acacia Center for Justice to pause services for programs supporting unaccompanied children. CBS 8's Esmeralda Perez joins us in studio after talking to a local organization that helps out those children. She talks about the impact those decisions will have. Esmeralda?
Well, Carlo, I'm told these legal services are needed to help migrant children who arrive to the U.S. without their parents. These programs help guide them through the immigration process since they don't have an adult by their side. Legal groups providing services to unaccompanied migrant children using federal funding were met with unexpected news earlier this week. The Acacia Center for Justice announced that the Department of the Interior had ordered them to immediately pause services for their unaccompanied children program. The center says this program provides legal representation to more than 26,000 children. According to the Associated Press, the $200 million contract with the federal government allows Acacia and its subcontractors to provide legal education and representation to these children.
This was a stop order that comes down from the federal government, and it was basically a stop order on a funding contract that supports services to vulnerable children, unaccompanied children.
Carmen Chavez is the executive director at Casa Cornelia Law Center, a nonprofit law firm providing pro bono services to victims of human and civil rights violations, including children.
Our nonprofit organization receives necessary funding in order to provide the legal services from Acacia Justice Center, and it's a nationwide organization.
According to the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services, towards the end of last month, there was more than 4,000 unaccompanied children under their care, and these legal aid groups offer them critical support.
So the stop work order was a stop of federal funding to the legal aid societies that are providing the lawyer and attorney programs to people incarcerated or the people going through immigration proceedings and assisting them with their cases. So now you're seeing that money can come back for minors, but it's not coming back for the adult cases and everybody else.
These are children that are going through a legal process. And so, just in the last year, we serviced over 1,000 children who went through this process.
Now, to learn more about this decision, visit the online version of this story at cbs8.com. Back to you, Carlo.